Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to schedule a Zoom meeting using the Zoom app. So we're going to open up Zoom, we're going to be brought to the home page, and now we're going to click on Schedule. Now that we've clicked on Schedule, we are brought with the event options, right? What's the name of the meeting? I'm going to Anthony Kuznetsov Zoom meeting, and then what date and time is it going to be? So let's go with the 25th at 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. on the same day. And then we're going to go on repeat. We are not going to repeat. Attendees, we're going to add the email addresses of the attendees. We're going to enable the continuous meeting chat. Scroll down, event type. It's going to be a Zoom meeting. And then we could add a location or room. We're not going to do that. And then we're going to click on send. Now that we've scheduled a Zoom meeting, we can actually go to our calendar and then see that Zoom meeting on our calendar right over here. We can also press on it, and if we want to add any other people to the Zoom meeting, we can just copy this link and send it over through an email. We can just copy this link and send it to an email, and then anybody will have access to this Zoom meeting. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this helped.